7 apps to customize your Mac like a pro in 2024. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you 7 incredible apps that will take your Mac customization to the next level in 2024. Stick around till the end. These are must-haves. Let's dive right in. So the first one is Bartender. This keeps your menu bar organized by hiding or rearranging icons. Customize which icons are visible and when for a clean and minimal desktop look. Then we have Rectangle. Easily manage your windows with customizable keyboard shortcuts. Snap windows to specific sizes and positions, making multitasking effortless. Also consider Wallpaper Wizard too. Here, explore a huge collection of stunning wallpapers to revamp your desktop. Other is Better Touch Tool. Unlock advanced customization for your trackpad, mouse, and keyboard. Create gestures and shortcuts to enhance your workflow and productivity. Also try Alfred. Replace Spotlight with a powerful search and automation tool. Use workflows, hotkeys, and clipboard management to speed up your tasks. Then Rocket Chat. Use it for team collaboration with features like group chats, file sharing, and video calls. Its open source nature allows you to tailor the interface and integrations to fit your needs perfectly. At last, iStat menus. Monitor your Mac's performance in real time with detailed stats for CPU, memory, and network. Customize your menu bar with performance insights to keep your Mac running smoothly. And that's it. 7 powerful apps to transform your Mac into the ultimate productivity machine in 2024. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.